Are you ready to embark on a life-changing financial journey? The 10K in 30 Days Blueprint is your key to unlocking the door to financial success. This groundbreaking ebook, authored by David Aloga Ogolo, is designed to empower individuals with the tools, strategies, and mindset required to achieve the ambitious goal of earning $10,000 in just 30 days. Inside this comprehensive guide, you'll find a step-by-step plan that is not only realistic, but also highly achievable. David Ogolo, a seasoned financial expert, breaks down the complex world of wealth building into simple, actionable steps. Whether you're new to financial planning or looking to take your earnings to the next level, this blueprint will equip you with the knowledge and confidence needed to secure your financial future. Discover the art of setting smart goals, leveraging multiple income streams, building the right mindset, and tracking your progress. With daily action plans, insights into overcoming common challenges, and strategies for building a support network, this ebook provides all the resources required for your financial success. Take the first step towards your dreams by acquiring the 10K in 30 Days Blueprint. Say goodbye to financial worries and hello to a brighter future. Your journey to financial prosperity begins here.